Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to share your bags brochure to potential customers Facebook leads on WhatsApp. Okay. So the idea here is you have recently started a store where you are providing designer bags to your customer. Okay. Now for marketing of your store you have recently run advertisement on Facebook to generate new leads. Okay. Now the customers who are interested in your product will click on the advertisement and will enter to your website. So this will generate new lead to you. But the problem here is as soon as a new lead will be generated through the advertisement, you have to send them the link of the brochure of the product you are providing, the designer bags. Again, the problem here is if you will follow the manual approach, you have to first collect the data of your new lead, then you have to manually type a message and add the link of your brochure and then send them on WhatsApp. This process is very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, as soon as you have run the advertisement on Facebook, okay, the new lead, the customer who are interested in your product will enter the advertisement. Automatically a form will be opened, a form will emerge in front of them. Now as soon as they will submit the form, on successful submission of the form, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that customer with the link of the brochure. So for that, I have used two applications here. First, I have used Facebook, which I have used to advertise my about my store, okay. And secondly, I have used WhatsApp. I have used this platform to send my messages and the link of the brochure. But the problem here is there is no direct integration or link between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that as soon as Facebook, as soon as the new lead will be generated through your advertisement, as soon as the customer will fill up the form which will appear through the advertisement, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to them with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the particular form, brochure form, which I have created for my customers. Now I'll be entering the form here and I have opened my WhatsApp web page. Here we will be receiving the message on behalf of the customer. Okay, so let's fill up the form on behalf of our customer and let's see if we have received, we'll receive a WhatsApp message in real time or not. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the email ID of my customer. This is the name Jenny Thomas and this is the mobile number 8269366913. Now I'll submit the form. I'll click on submit and we have successfully submitted the form. Now we'll go to our WhatsApp webpage and we'll see if we have received any message or not. Okay. So guys, the message will take some few seconds. We'll wait for the message. Okay guys, as you can clearly see, a message has just arrived which says, "Hello Jenny Thomas, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z bag store. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our bags. Link has been given below, so this is the link. Okay, for more details you can visit our website www.atozbags.com. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make this above link clickable. Okay, that's why the link is not clickable because I haven't saved the number. Thank you, regards, A to Z bag store." Now let me copy the link and let me show it to you if the link opens the brochure or not, which we are providing to our customer. Yes guys, you can clearly see the brochure here. This is the particular brochure which this customers will be receiving. Now you people must be thinking how I have managed to do this integration. How just by filling up the form I have received a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So guys, let me show you the process on my screen. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ad. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is, first we will log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now step number 2 says collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we have created a form for our customers in Facebook account, and the customers will fill up the form. Now I want the data of that customer should be transferred into Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same, and step number 3 says send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay guys, why we are integrating 360 dialog here? Why not we are integrating WhatsApp directly? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that you have to use another software which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay, now let's start with the process guys. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine here, and you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember Pabbly, okay, let it load. So you can see the website page of Pabbly on my screen. What you have to do next is you have to come on product, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we will be using Connect, so click on Connect. Okay, now you have landed to Pabbly Connect's website. Now here you can see offer is going on in high demand. We may close the offer briefly. Okay, so don't forget to go and check. For the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, you have to click this, and guys you can create your free account, completely free account in just 2 minutes. Because I am already logged in, so I'll click on sign in. Okay, so once again you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. Today we are using Connect, so come on Connect and click on access now. Let it load for a second guys. And as you can see on my screen, this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Now here you can see various workflows I have created. Okay, for creating a new workflow, you have to come to the right corner once again, and you can see a blue button which says create new workflow. So you have to click this. A mini window or a mini tab or a mini box will emerge in front of you, which will ask you to name your workflow. So here you have to name your workflow. Okay, so as you can see, I have named my workflow Facebook to WhatsApp. I've named the 2 applications. I've named my workflow after the 2 applications which I am integrating together. Okay, so you can name your workflow according to your choice, the name which you can remember afterwards. Okay, so now you have to click on create. Okay, as you can see, we have entered the workflow. Here we have to perform the steps of integration. You can see here the name of the title which we have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, now here are 2 tabs, 2 mini tabs boxes which are given, where it is written trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger, action do this, choose your next application action. Now you must be thinking people, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this particular case, trigger event will be successful submission of the form which we will be filling, which we have created in our Facebook. Okay, and the response, what we want as soon as the form has been submitted, at the same time we want a WhatsApp message will be sent to the customer. Okay, so you understood trigger event and the action event, how it works. Okay, let me tell you one more thing guys. The workflow which we are making today, this particular workflow, I'll add the link of this particular workflow, the same workflow, in my description box. Now if you'll click the link, you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check the link guys. Okay, now we'll continue the process. We'll start with the steps of integration. What you have to do, you have to first click on this first window, choose your first application, come to the search field, and here search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen here, this one we have to select Facebook lead ads. So I'll select this particular application, and here a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of you. Now if you'll choose this arrow, if you'll click this arrow, you can see the particular trigger events which you have to choose. So I want to choose new lead, so I'll choose this particular trigger event, and now I'll click on connect. Okay, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for 2 options, add new connection and choose existing connection. So I'll choose on add new connection, and I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, it is asking. Okay, you can see I have been successfully authorized in guys. Now we have to fill up two fields. First is page and second is lead generation form. So here if you click this arrow, you can see the various pages which I have in my Facebook account. Let me show it to you. Let me take you to my account on Facebook first. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my account on Facebook. Okay, now let me go to pages and let me show you the pages. So these are the pages which I have in my account, and this is the particular page A to Z bag store. Okay, so this is the particular page which we have to map in our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so we'll go back to our Pabbly Connect account and we'll map this particular page which is A to Z bag stores. How you can map the page? You have to simply click this arrow and you have to search for the particular page which we have created, which we have to integrate. Okay, so here is the page A to Z bag store. Okay, I have successfully chosen the particular page, and now the lead generation form has automatically chose the particular form which has been created under this page. What we have to do next is we have to go to the Facebook developer application, Facebook for developers. Okay, and here you can see the page and the form. There's an option given for page and form. So here you have to select for the page. The page is A to Z bag store, and automatically the form will be selected, which is attached to this particular page. And now I'll click on preview form. Okay, so the form will appear in front of me. Now I'll edit the previous data which is already filled. Let's say the email ID of our customer is sam000@gmail.com. This is the name and this is the number. Okay, 8269366913. Now I'll submit it. I'll submit the form. Okay, so I have successfully submitted the form. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account and I'll click on save and send test request. Okay, now as you can see, the responses has been successfully captured. Here you can see the number, the name of the customer, the email ID. Okay, here are the other details of the customer. Okay, so we have successfully integrated Facebook with Pabbly Connect. Now we'll jump on to our next step, which is integration of WhatsApp. But here's this twist: we are not integrating WhatsApp directly. Instead, we are integrating 360 Dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, we have to use another software, which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 Dialog. Okay, come to the search field and here you have to search for 360 Dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And a new field of action event has emerged in front of you. Now, if you'll click this arrow, you'll find the various action event. Okay, I want to choose this particular action event, send template message. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. Okay, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. I'll click on add new connection. And now guys, it is asking me for the API key and the domain. So let's read out the description first, what it is written here. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account. Page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button, and in domain it is written enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, example vaba.360dialog.io. Okay, so guys, always follow the description, because when you will read the description or the instructions, you will get to know from where you have to get the value or what you have to do in the next step. So let me take you to my account on 360 Dialog first. So guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 Dialog. Now, if you are in doubt from how I have reached to my account on 360 Dialog or how I have created my account on 360 Dialog, so for that we have created a separate video and I have added the link of that particular video in my description box. Okay, guys, I have added one more link in my description box. Now, if you'll click that link and you will go through that link, you can avail the services of 360 Dialog at a very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. Okay, so don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now let me tell you from where you can get the API key. Come to the left corner. Here you can see three options are given to you. Now you have to click on WhatsApp account. here at the right corner down, you can see a blue button is given which says generate API key. So guys, you have to click this button and you will generate your API key. Now it's a one-time process, okay? You have to just click it once and the API key will be generated, and the same API key can be used for different workflows. So you don't have to generate the API key again and again. It's just a one-time process. You have to simply click here, and with the API key, of course, the domain will be generated. Because I have already generated my API key, guys, and the domain as well, and I have copied it from before. So I'll go back in my Pabbly Connect account and I'll simply paste it here, the API key and the domain. Afterwards, I'll click on save and I'll be thrown back to my workflow. So it's a very simple process, guys. Because of some security reason, I cannot show you the process pasting my API key and domain. But trust me, it's very simple. What you have to do, you have to generate your API key in your 360 account. Okay, one-time process. With the API key, the domain will be generated as well. Copy both of the values. Come to your Pabbly Connect account, paste it here under the API key, paste API key, and under domain, paste domain, okay? And click on save, okay? You will be thrown to workflow back successfully. You will be thrown to your workflow. So let me do this process and we will meet in workflow directly. So you can see we have been successfully authorized in. Now what you have to do, we have to fill up the values in the particular field. The first field is asking us for the template. So if you click this arrow, you can see the various templates. Now these templates are the same templates which are there in my account in 360 dialog. Let me show it to you. Let me take you to my account on 360 dialog. Okay, so we are back to our account on 360 dialog. Now besides generate API key, it is written show details. Click here and you can see three options are given above. You have to click on templates, and now you can see all of the templates which are there in my 360 account. Okay, now let me show you the particular template I am using in this workflow. Let me search for it. Okay, so this is the particular template, send browser final. Here, let me show it to you. So guys, template is nothing but just the body of SMS which will be sent to your customer. Okay, here you can read, hello, thank you for showing your interest in. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards 6. Now you people must be thinking, what are these number in double boxes? Okay, so guys, these number is nothing but they are the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. For example, in the place of number 1, the name of our customer will come. The name of our customer is Sam John. So as soon as I'll enter the value of the particular variable in my body number 1, body field 1, automatically the value will take place. The variable will change to its original value. Same goes with body field 2, body field 3, body field 4, 5 and 6. So these are the variables which will be keep changing according to the information. Rest of the body will remain the same. The body, the same SMS will be sent to every customer of yours. Now let me tell you one more important thing, guys, how to create your template. If you'll scroll up, you can see a blue button at your right corner which says add template. So if you'll click this template, okay, here you can see the format of template. From here you have to create the template. You can name your template from here. You can select the language from here, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS here. Now guys, remember, after creating the template, you will click on preview and submit, and you will send the template to approval. Without the approval process, the template cannot be worked. So you have to send the template to the approval. The approval process is done by FB, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, the approval process can be done within 1 day only. So don't forget to first create the template, guys, then send it for approval, because without the approval process you cannot use the template. Here let me show you, all my templates are approved. So that's why I can use the template. Now I have to map this particular template, where the template which I have shown to you, which I am using here, send brochure final, map in my Pabbly Connect account. So I'll come to my Pabbly Connect account here, and I will search for the particular template. Okay, this is the particular template, send brochure final. I'll choose this particular template and let it load for a second, guys, please. Okay, Now this field of namespace will be automatically be filled up, and the language code also be automatically filled up. Now here it is written EN. Guys, EN stand for English. Let me show it to you. Here at my 360 dialog account, under the language section, it is written EN, EN, EN. So this is showing us that all the SMS, the body of SMS, the templates are in English language. EN stands for English. So here this field of language code will be automatically be filled up. You need not to do anything under the namespace field and the language code field. Now we will jump on to our next field, which is recipient mobile number. So we have to map the name, the number of our recipient. How? Guys, if you'll click this search field, a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now, if you'll click on this scroll down, you can see all of the responses. These responses are the same responses which were captured above here by Pabbly Connect and Facebook. So this option of mapping data in Pabbly Connect is given to you because whenever you are required to fill the values in the fields, in the required fields, you need not to go up again and again, then copy the data and paste it, search for the data, copy it and paste it here in the field. Instead, you can simply go to the scroll down in the responses and you can search for the particular value. It is asking for the recipient mobile number and you can simply map it. Now guys, one more important thing, read the description very carefully what it is written. It is written, enter the recipient mobile number with country code +91. So guys, it is very important to enter the mobile number with the country code, because without the country code, 360 dialog or Pabbly Connect won't accept the number. It will show you the error. So it is very important to put the country code, and because of it, it is very important to read the descriptions always so that you can understand well how the process work. Okay, now we have to enter the body fields here accordingly. Okay, you can see in the example is given, and accordingly you will fill up the body fields. So in body field 1, it is asking us for the name. As you can see in the example, it is written Heather Ali. So we have to map the name. Come to the scroll down and you will simply map the name, which is Sam John. Okay, in body field 2, it is showing Pabbly Connect, means it is asking us for the name of the company, the bag store company. Okay, so we will map the name of our company, bags store. So this is the name of our company, which will be stable. So I am manually adding this. Okay, now here we have to here you can see in the example it is written software. So it is asking for the product. So product is bags. So I'll add the product. Now guys, this is very important. In body field 2, it is asking us for the link. So we are sharing the link of the brochure. So we have to add the link here. Now let me show you from where you can get the link. Okay, let me take you to my account on Google Drive. Okay, so guys, you can see this is my account on Google Drive. Now here I have saved the PDF file of the brochure. So let me show you the brochure. Okay, bags brochure. This is the particular PDF file which will be sent to our customer. You can see here. Okay, so customers will be receiving this PDF file. Now I have to copy the link of this particular PDF file. What I'll do, I'll come to the right corner here, which where it is written more option. I'll click here. Now I'll click on share. Okay, so I'll get the link from here. It is asking anyone on the internet with this link can view. Anyone with the link on the internet can view. Okay, then I'll copy the link. I'll go back to Pabbly and I'll simply paste it here. So this link will be stable once again, because the brochure will be sent to every customer, the same brochure. So we'll map it manually. Okay, now come to the body field 5. Here we have to enter the website of our store. So let's say our website name is A to Z bags.com. Okay, and in the body field 2, again you will enter the name of your store, which is A to Z bag store. Okay, so guys, we have successfully filled up all the fields, as you can see on my screen. Okay, we have successfully filled up all the fields. Now we will click on save and send test request. Okay, and we will see if the responses are positive or not. Let it load for a second. Guys, yes, the responses are completely positive as there is no error it is showing to us. Now we will go to our WhatsApp webpage and we will see if we have received any WhatsApp message or not. Guys, as you can see on my screen, we have just received a message which says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z bag store. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our bags. This is the particular link, okay? For more details, you can visit our website www.a2zbags.com. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Okay, that's why the link is not clickable, because I haven't saved the number. Thank you. Regards, A to Z Bags. Okay, now let me open the link for you. We'll see if the link opens or not. So guys, you can clearly see the link has opened. This is the same brochure which we have saved in our Google Drive account, from where we have copied the link, okay, and we have sent it to our customer. So you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked, guys. Now let me tell you one more thing. I'll add the link of the workflow, the same workflow, into my Pabbly Connect account, so you can in my description box. I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. So you can go to the link, you can click on the link, and you can directly clone this same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check the link, guys. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.